Hey everybody, long story short, so a few years ago, my dad and I, well, my dad, but I went with him, bought my sister a keyboard. Oh, by the way, I'm back on Richard H. Animations, yeah. And then the next Christmas after that, she got a bigger, better keyboard. And then that keyboard was just sitting in our garage for like 3 years already. And like about 10 minutes ago, I'm like, hey Dad, can I have the keyboard in the garage since no one uses it? And he's like, it's practically yours, so do whatever you want with it. So, here it is. Here are all the parts. Can you see it? Let's use Movie Magic to put it together. Hold on. How do I hold the camera while I'm doing Movie Magic? That's better. So here we have the plug right there. I'm just a weak, small child. Let's use Movie Magic to put it over here. What? It didn't work. Yay, Movie Magic worked. I guess second time's the charm. So here it is. This is just plugged in. So there's the plug. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna go get a microphone. Is the microphone working? Hello? Hello, hello. There, now you can hear me better. So, I want to write a song that will probably be posted on my main channel, Richard Rock. Go. Oh, it's hot in here. I'll be right back. There. So I listened to a song called, I really like the song called American Pie. So I'm gonna try to like make I'm gonna try to like make a song, in like the style of that song. I'm not gonna like make the whole song right here. It works. I'm not the best, so I could so. I don't know what to do. I'm not the pianist. You know, that's what a person who plays piano is called. They're called a pianist. Very, very child appropriate. Okay, what do you think better, this? What do you think sounds better, this? Hold on, I messed up. Yeah, I'm really bad. Hold on. That, or... Hold on, is this good? Or this. For some reason, I think the second one is easier because I guess it's probably because my hands are more far away. So vote in the comments, and if they're turned off, then I'll turn them on because you could do that with YouTube Studios. So go bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Yeah. So I guess we could like. That's a little loud. That's a little loud. Okay, that's cool. No. Oh, I turned it off. No, I turned it off again. So I think I'll start with the piano, and then I would have a guitar come in, and then I would get like a little. Then it would be both, and then I would have to do what would I do with piano next. I'm writing piano parts in front of you. This is how you write piano. I'm gonna go try to figure out a part. So yeah. So we're done. I think I figured it out. So I think I'm actually gonna vote in the comments, see which one of the things I like better. If you see what you want better, go like that comment. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna do the. Even if one wins, I might not do that one. It's like whatever I want, but I want your opinion, so do it. And I think I for the other part, for the next part, I just blah, blah. For the next part, look at me. For the next part, I wanted to do this. Notes. Then I have really bad hands. Yeah, I think I could do that. Or you know what I could do? For that part, for the part that I wanted you guys to vote on. So that will be the third pick. Pick 1, 2, or 3. Which one do you want? Okay, I'm gonna go edit this video. Bye bye.